Meron kasing yung mga may mga applicants for franchise na they're applying for amnesty. So we have an ordinance granting them amnesty valid only for 60 days. So the date of amnesty started last June 1 until the end of July only. The reason na maraming nag-apply ng amnesty is nung panahon kasi ng pandemic, ang daming nag-expire, tapos meron yung mga nagbenta ng mga franchise which is bawal. So ngayon, nung nag-renew sila, hindi pwede. So nakiusap sila sa 12 Sangguniang kung pwede mag-grantan sila ng amnesty. So 12 Sangguniang approved na they will be granted amnesty with certain penalties and charges, syempre of course minimal, then valid only for 60 days. They have only 60 days a window to file their amnesties. After that, hindi na pwedeng mag-file ng amnesty. Tapos na pag-usapan, which is talagang bawal na magbenta ng franchise, next time wala ng amnesty. I think this will be the last for them to file their amnesties for the franchises, renewal of franchise. Actually, I was elected the committee to head the Committee on Transportation last November. Tapos nakita ko, nag-grant na pala ng amnesty last 2023 around March, pero minimal lang nung nag-file. So, ngayon, medyo lumaki yung nag-file, around 100 more or less na expirean. So, yun lang, sila lang siguro yung mabibigyan. Tapos, ang nag-show ng interest ng magfa-file is around nung nag-meeting tayo, more or less mga 30-50 lang. So siguro yun lang ang magfa-file ng amnesty. Then ang plano kasi, since meron tayong meron tayong existing ordinance na merong allocation per barangay na franchise, kung hindi na magso-show ng interest yung mga iba, then we will award again. We will award. Hindi yung magre-request sila ng additional allocation ng barangay franchises sa certain barangay. Hindi na ganun ang mangyayari. So, kaya sinuspend natin yung isang city ordinance natin na 2023-023, temporarily suspending the application of barangay franchises to make room for yung magpa-file ng amnesty. So, pag yung allocation natin doon ma-fill up, then siguro hindi na natin kailangan mag-add ng additional allocation per barangay. Enough na yun. Kasi as of now, we already have 4,800 tricycle franchisees sa Lawag alone. Barangay consists of 2,000 and downtown Lawag 2,800. So enough na yun. Enough na yun.